People ask me when I'm doing a post trip at nighttime or a pre-trip in the morning, and I go around the trailer and check to make sure all the lights are working. How do I check my brake lights on the back of the trailer? Well, I'm about ready to show you how. The biggest problem is keeping your brake pedal pushed down. I use 2 binder bars. It's very simple. And all you have to do is run through your steering wheel. The weight of it will hold your brake pedal down. And then you can come back here to the very back and verify you got brake lights. And there again, you have brake lights.